Hi, welcome to the Enjermi channel. I would like to share my experience of ordering, receiving, and unboxing my Google Pixel 5 in Japan. The order was done in the Japanese Google online store. There is a corner for the newly released Pixel series, introducing its new features. The current options are Pixel 5, Pixel 4a with 5G, and also Pixel 4a. Let's pick the Pixel 5. For the colors of the Pixel 5, there's the Just Black and Sorta Sage. Let's choose the Sorta Sage color. The Google Store recommends for the accessories the Pixel 5 case and the Pixel Buds. Let's choose the Pixel 5 case in blue confetti color. The total price sums up to 80,080 Japanese yen. As of November 2020, that sums up to about $765 US. The price difference from the US store, which is $739, is more or less $25. I have been handed my box. Let's go back to my desk to unbox this product. Let's go ahead and tear the box open. The blue confetti colored case has been shipped. And so has the phone. Now it's time to finally open the box. In the box, there is the phone, the instructions package, the USB-C power brick, the USB-C to C cable, and the USB-A to USB-C adapter. This is the best part. Let's peel the plastic. The Pixel phones we know have so far been finished with glass, whereas the Pixel 5 has been finished with a plastic shell over an aluminum body. The plastic finish is not the slippery finish that you can easily think of, but rather feels more like a high-quality washi paper. Let's turn on the power. Let's make a quick comparison with the Pixel 3. Honestly speaking, the finish does not feel as premium as the glass finish of the Pixel 3. Until the Pixel 4, we never had uniform bezels in the Pixel series. It had a chin and a forehead. The Pixel 5 finally has the full real estate of the front side, excluding the camera punch for the screen. We start off the booting with choosing the language. I have chosen English. You can also customize the size of the interface. Let's go with standard. The next step is to insert the SIM card and connect with your carrier. If you have been using an Android phone, you can connect to your previous phone and migrate your app data, photos, contacts, and your previous conversation to your new Pixel 5. That process takes a while. Let's try putting on the case first. The camera bump isn't significant to start with, and when you put the case on, it's completely mitigated. There's a nice orange point for the power button. Among the data that has been previously mentioned, you can choose what to migrate and what not to your new phone. Let's select to migrate everything. The migration process has been completed, and as you can see from the old phone on the right, you can pretty much pick up where you left off in the new phone on the left. Thank you for letting me share my experience of getting on board with the new Pixel 5 in Japan. Please stay tuned, and we'll come back with the full review of the Pixel 5 in a short while. Thank you.